I'm gonna make carne asada chilaquiles with a salsa taquera. First, I'm gonna use the Kroger Mercado guajillo chiles. I'm gonna remove the stem, and then you just open the chile. You don't have to use gloves to work with chiles. All you need to do is rinse your hands with soapy water. And I'm gonna put 6 right here over the comal, which I've been preheating at medium heat. So I'm gonna add some chiles de árbol, which are smoky, feisty. You can see the fumes starting to come out. I'm gonna add chipotle chiles, but these are dried chipotle. And I'm using moritas, which are my favorite because they have much more taste. You wanna toast the chiles until you start to cough. Doing this step of toasting them really adds a layer of flavor. So if you have the time, go for it. I'm gonna plop the chiles in the water. In that same pot, I'm gonna add 1 pound of ripe Roma tomatoes, half a pound of the tomatillos. You can get these and all of your ingredients at Kroger. Now we're adding the jalapeno, 2 garlic cloves. We're gonna cook these until the dried chiles have rehydrated and plumped up, and until the tomatoes and the tomatillos are mushy and soft. Everything is plumped up and gonna go in here, not removing the skin, not removing the cord, not removing the seeds. And then I'm gonna add a slice of a white onion, and I like to add it raw here, and salt. Start at low and then up it to high. The color is so bright and beautiful. I'm gonna taste for salt. Perfect. Pour the sauce in here. We have the salsa. Now for the tortilla chips or totopos. I'm gonna use the Kroger corn tortillas, and I'm gonna cut them into quarters. You want oil that is bubbly, happy, active, about a minute per side. Once you take them out, immediately sprinkle with salt. We have the chips, we have the salsa, now we have the Kroger Mercado thinly sliced beef, and it's ribeye steak. Just rub an onion. It's gonna clean it and season it. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. And I season right now. I'm excited because we're almost there. Gorgeous. Gonna let it rest here for a minute. Now I'm going to assemble my platter. I'm gonna add the chips, the salsa. The color is so bright. Dice some meat. Cut it in bite-sized chunks. More sauce. Then we're gonna add some cream in different places. And then some thinly sliced red onion. Some crumbled queso fresco, which is lightly salty. We need a little bit of cilantro. Look at this beautiful bite. So yum.